Hello, I'm Matthew Hasty with FLIR. I'm really excited about FLIR's new multispectral imaging experience, or what we call FLIR Mix. FLIR Mix uses our Research Studio software suite, and it simplifies the workflow for researchers and engineers to expand the possibilities for discovery by combining high-fidelity visual and infrared data. It gives you the ability to control a high-end infrared camera and a visible camera from one computer using a single software and recording it to a single data file. Finally, time and spatial alignment of the data is made simple both before and after the test. You even have the ability to tweak the alignments at any time to ensure optimal performance. The cooled A-Series starter kit is designed to be as simple as possible to set up with a FLIR cooled A6000 series camera. In addition, you're welcome to use the kit with any Research Studio supported camera, though it could add some complexity and potential variability in the results. The A-Series starter kit is purchased in addition to the infrared camera, so anyone lucky enough to already have a FLIR A-Series cooled camera can easily upgrade to the capabilities of FLIR Mix. So let me show you what comes in the FLIR Mix A-Series starter kit. When you open the hard-sided case, you'll first see the quick start guide and all necessary information about the system. The kit also contains a Research Studio Professional Edition 1-year license card and the FLIR Research Studio Mix Toolkit license card. To use FLIR Mix, you'll need an active and up-to-date Research Studio license along with the FLIR Mix Toolkit license. The Mix Toolkit license is perpetual and it receives all updates. The next item in the case is the visible camera. The FLIR Forge is a giggy camera specifically meant for pairing with the FLIR A6700, A6750, or A6780 cameras. We include a Tamron 25mm C-mount lens. It's mounted to the FLIR Forge camera already. We chose this lens for close distance lab acquisitions, but you can purchase any standard C-mount lens online to meet your field of view requirements. We also include a custom collar to mount the visible camera onto the A6700 series camera. This collar aligns the optical paths of both cameras to optimize the software alignment. Next, you'll notice in the case a 10 gig switch. Both the FLIR Forge visible camera and the FLIR A6700 camera will connect to the switch with the included giggy cables. This will allow you to then use a single giggy cable to connect back to your computer. Finally, we include a custom power and synchronization cable assembly. This is used to power both cameras from a single power supply and synchronize the cameras together. You would use a standard FLIR cooled camera power supply into this adapter. Once again, this starter kit is designed to have everything you need to start mixing thermal and visible data. Please refer to our connection video for more detailed steps on connecting everything together and getting your first images with the system. As always, if you encounter any problems or would just like to talk through your application, we would love to help. Please go to our support site, flir.custhelp.com, or contact your local FLIR sales engineer or FLIR science partner.